Good morning, guys. My name is Brett Hartzler with Dutchmen RV. I am the Kodiak rep here for Funtown RV in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. And today we are here at their campground showing off some of our models for Kodiak and what we offer to the customer with different price points and tow weights and floor plans and things like that. And here at their campground, this is where, after the purchase of an RV, the customer can come and have a full walkthrough of their product and sort of learn the ins and outs of the camper and how it operates and different things like that. And so today we're here in Cleburne, Texas, and today we want to show you guys some Kodiak product. So today, guys, we want to show you our Kodiak SE product line and what that offers to our customer and everything like that. We introduced our SE product line within the past couple of years to really generate more business for that entry-level customer, whether it's the first-time buyer, they're on a budget, different things like that. And our SE product line, we offer that in Kodiak where we offer 4 different price points, but our SE product line is for more that entry-level customer. And so today we wanted to highlight some features. Even on an SE product line, you'll still be getting a power tongue jack that we offer standard for the customer on our product line. Right here behind our 20-pound LP tanks that will come standard, we actually include a power box down here in the A-frame. So typically a lot of our competitors have a spaghetti mess of wires down here where we clean it up real nice, and that also acts as your battery disconnect, which is super helpful for the customer with killing your battery and different things like that. So starting here on the door side of our coach for our Kodiak SE product, we always love to show off our pass-through storage compartment. And the reason we do is because it is fully unobstructed throughout your pass-through storage. We put on the biggest baggage doors, but you also give the same size baggage door on your off-door side as your on-door side, where a lot of our competitors may put a smaller baggage door over there. So you can still have that full access on your off-door side. With our baggage doors as well, we actually utilize an inch-thick baggage door versus a lot of guys that may use a half-inch thick baggage door. So definitely a little bit better durability and insulation factor on that. Underneath for our Kodiak SE product, we actually put on power stabilizers. And so, of course, each corner of the coach will have a standard power stabilizer jack. We don't do a scissor jack or anything like that. So really nice high-end feature, a little bit better ease and convenience, even on an SE product line. So on the door side here of our Kodiak 27 SBH, this is a 27-foot coach. So you're 27 feet in your box, 31 feet hitched to bumper, but you're only weighing in at 5,100 pounds. So easily half-ton towable, or for that customer that is limited to tow weight, can only tow maybe 6,000, 6,500 pounds. This is a perfect floor plan. You still get super slide and double over double bunks on the interior as well. So on our Kodiak 27 SE SBH product, we also offer an outside kitchen. This will give you a little 1.5 cubic refrigerator just to, have those extra beverages outside and different things like that, which is super nice. And then you also have a nice LP quick connect line underneath here as well for, your griddle top or 2-burner cooktop, different things like that, to cook your breakfast outside in the morning and different things like that. As we walk around to the back side of our coach, some things I really want to highlight for our product and where we're different at versus other guys is that we are an actual all vacuum bonded coach. So whether it's your rear wall, your slide out end wall, your roof, we are a true vacuum bonded coach, and that is just providing a tough, lightweight, durable product for our customers or our retail customers and different things like that. Also with that, we include a true LED exterior running light. So your running lights alongside of the coach, your rear lights and different things like that, it provides a cleaner look, better brightness, better longevity, but also quicker reaction time versus a bulky halogen light as well. You will come standard or come on our Kodiak SE product with our backup camera prep here on the rear. So in case the customer wants to add that backup camera on after the fact, it does come backup camera prep on our Kodiak SE product. So on our off-door side of our Kodiak SE product, some really highlighted features I wanted to point out for you guys of what makes our product unique and different. Like I said, with our construction for Kodiak, we're all vacuum bonded. So like I said, our rear wall that I pointed out, our slide out end walls are all vacuum bonded, which is super nice. But with our slide out system here, we actually utilize a cable driven slide out system. And what our cable driven slide out system offers is that we are actually an above frame slide out, so we can use a lighter weight frame to hit a lighter weight or a lighter tow weight and different things like that. But with our cable-driven slide-out system, it actually offers 4 points of pull, so it goes in and out nice and evenly versus other mechanisms where it'll push from underneath. Here it'll go out nice and evenly and pull out nice and evenly as well within our Kodiak product. With our windows on our slide-out box, something I always wanted to highlight there is that our windows in our outer wall here are fully functional. They're nice big slider windows where a lot of guys will do the windows where the bottom corner just opens, and our windows are tinted. So down here in Texas, it's going to reduce the heat from coming in, you know, possibly fading your interior and heating up your coach as well. So those are some other really cool highlights even on our Kodiak SE product by Dutchmen. Thank you guys so much for letting me be able to show you guys the exterior of our Kodiak 27 SBH. Before we go inside, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video on our Kodiak 27 SBH, and we'll see you guys inside. So here in our Kodiak 27 SBH by Dutchmen, we offer in our slide-out box linoleum. So we don't have any of that carpet where it gets a little raggedy. It really cleans this up having the linoleum here. Easier to clean, more of that residential feel, and just gives it an overall clean look, which is super nice. Along with that there, so we offer a jackknife couch in our product line, which a lot of guys do, but we actually include footrests, which is super nice. So it pops out, you can kick your feet up, relax a little bit within our product line here, but it also acts as a jackknife couch, so you still have storage underneath there for pillows, blankets, different things like that, some extra stuff that you may not utilize all the time. Within our slide-out box as well, over all of our windows, we actually utilize a night roller shade, where a lot of guys will do a pleated shade. And so here on these bigger windows, it is super nice because it's just one hand down, one hand up, versus having to utilize a big pleated shade over those windows and different things like that. Again, notice how our windows are tinted versus a clear glass window, really providing a little bit better protection against, you know, heat and different things like that getting into the side of your coach. So with our dinette here, of course our table does fold down. We offer an indoor and outdoor table, so you guys can take this table outside if you need to utilize it there by your outside kitchen. Of course it does fold down onto these black pucks here. So these black pucks we actually put there for our table rest versus having wood stiles there where, you know, typically, you know, it's cut off and you're seeing raw wood on the exterior there. Where we put in those black pucks and really just cleans it up a little bit better within our dinette seats. So one of the other features I wanted to point out to you guys on our Kodiak 27 SBH, like I said, is our overall construction and where we are super different versus our competitors. But with our construction, we are an all vacuum bonded constructed coach. So our rear wall is vacuum bonded, like I pointed out earlier. Our slide out end walls, our roof, which is super nice. So it's providing that light, tough weight, durable construction for our customer. With that there, we're able to put in aluminum framing trusses. We're able to put in aluminum framing behind your cap up front there and different things like that. So we're always trying to eliminate as much wood construction and be the lightest weight travel trailer on or for our customers in the marketplace. So moving over from our slide out box to our door side. As I was showing you guys earlier, our jackknife couch with our footrest, it's direct placement across from our entertainment center, which is super nice. So you're going to be able to kick back and relax on those rainy days, whether you're catching the Aggies game or the Longhorns game, different things like that. You also have a standard fireplace, even in an SE series where a lot of guys will not do that. That actually puts out an additional 6,000 BTUs of heat besides your 30,000 BTU furnace. So on those cooler nights where you don't want to burn up that gas, you still have this fireplace here, which will really heat up the inside of that or this coach, which is super nice. So one thing I really wanted to highlight on our Kodiak 27 SBH is we're always looking for ways that we can maximize storage and maximize dead space to give our customers a lot more storage. And so behind our entertainment center here, we actually incorporate a really nice hidden pantry system here, which gives you tons of shelves. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 places of shelving back there, tons of storage for more of that pantry space and, you know, items that you may not be utilizing all the time that you may have out here in the main part of your kitchen. So this will be on select floor plans throughout our SE segment, ultralight and ultimate. We have probably about 6 to 7 different floor plans that incorporate that hidden pantry system. So we are super proud of that and really always trying to maximize more dead space for our customers for more storage. Moving around over here to our kitchen area, we do incorporate a 10 cube 12 volt refrigerator, which is super nice. With that there, we use a Norcold refrigerator, and so it actually has door latches versus other guys that'll maybe have a T-handle there. So a little bit more of that residential feel. Up top here you have a control panel where you can turn your refrigerator on and off so it doesn't burn out in the battery if you're running off solar or different things like that. Moving over here to the kitchen as well. So we have a really nice big L-shaped countertop here for tons of countertop prep space. We do utilize a single bowl sink. So the nice thing about that is you're able to wash those bigger pots and pans versus other guys that may use like a 60-40 split sink, and you can't always wash those bigger pots and pans. And so that's really nice to be able to have that kind of sink and different things like that for you guys. On our cabinet doors, so this is something I really love to highlight to our customers. So even in an SE product line, we actually offer hardwood cabinet doors and drawers. So more of a residential cabinet door and drawer, definitely better quality and better longevity versus an MDF cabinetry that other guys may put in their product. So back here in our bunk area, like I said, this is our 27 SBH. You're only 5,100 pounds. You get that super slide, you get your double over double bunks, which is super nice as well. You get USB ports and also lights back here for the kids, but also on the top and bottom bunk as well, you actually get 2 windows. So you get a window on the bottom bunk, window on the top bunk versus guys that may just do a window on the top bunk. You actually still get night roller shades in your bunk room area, which is super nice, and still getting a little bit more storage down there for the kids for their duffel bags and clothing bags and different things like that. So in our Kodiak 27 SBH product, any of our floor plans that we build that have pocket doors, all of our pocket doors are 36 inches wide. It really gives you a lot of space, a lot of elbow room to where it doesn't feel so tight or closed in within our pocket doors. So that's a big feature for us. But also the biggest feature in an SE product line that a lot of customers don't look at and realize, but we actually utilize a true residential 60 by 80 queen bed. You know, versus other guys that may use a camper queen that's a 60 by 74. Here you're actually getting your full length, your full comfort, and you can bring your sheets from home versus having to get custom fitted sheets. So that is a super nice feature on our Kodiak 27 SBH. But again, also with that there, we already have that big enough bed base in case you ever want to switch out your mattress for actually another 60 by 80 queen and different things like that. Thank you guys so much for taking the time today to check out our Kodiak 27 SBH and some of the features and the highlights that we offer on our product. Hopefully you guys learned a lot today. Again, if you guys like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe this. Check out their YouTube page for more content or on their website at Funtown RV. And thank you guys so much for, again, taking the time today. And remember, the fun starts here only at Funtown RV.